Hi, Lars here with USA 1031, and I'm heading north on the 331 bridge in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. In this quick tour video, I'll show you a hidden boat launch located between Santa Rosa Beach and Freeport. We are now entering Thomas Pilcher Park, which is a small waterfront park located under the US 331 bridge in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida. It was named after Thomas Pilcher, a local resident who was a well-known conservationist and advocate for the preservation of the Choctawhatchee Bay. One thing I noticed about this boat launch is limited boat trailer parking spots. You'll be able to see them as we enter the park. If you plan to park your trailer after launch, it is recommended to get there early. Enjoy this tour, and if you are a real estate investor or a real estate agent, please be sure to check out USA1031.com. We are a nationwide network of 1031 exchange professionals.